So malware, so what is a malware? Yeah, okay, so the malwares are the executable programs, we have it. Okay, the malware exists in various software forms with the malicious intents over there. Malicious codes behave in unaccepted, harmful ways. Okay, like viruses, worms. All malware types need to be executed in order to cause harm. So if you want to make a harm, they must be executed over there. So how are these malware types get executed? User action. Sometimes you have to do action. The email comes to you, you open the images over there, or in the CD, or in setup programs, or some active X control. You enable it. The dialog box comes to you. You want to execute. You click yes. Okay. So downloading and running malicious ones. So these are the different kinds of user action. You have to do some user action, and then the malware will be executed over there. Exploiting an existing flaw in the system. So what are the flaws? So buffer overflows, it can be host platform, network agent, applications such as email clients and web browser. So these are the this is the small elaboration about the little elaboration about the malware over there.